What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Mike FX speaking, and we're back again with another video. This is our weekly analysis. Hope you guys are doing great. Hope you guys had a wonderful weekend, man. Hope you guys had a wonderful week last week. Hope you guys are well rested. Hope you guys are ready to tackle the markets this week and make some money, right? So, yeah, it's a beautiful week, man. It's a new week. It's a brand new opportunity to tackle these markets and hopefully make some money this week, right? So it's a brand new week. I hope you guys are doing great, man. If you've not liked the video, please make sure that you smash that like button, subscribe to the family, leave a comment below, and welcome home to our very new subscribers. Welcome home. We welcome you. So don't be shy. Just jump into the comment section and just leave your thoughts and your concerns, any sort of concerns you might have. Just leave them there in your comments, and I will reply you. Right. So. It's a beautiful week, and we're going to be looking at Nasdaq. It was a beautiful week last week, man. We saw the markets kind of respect these highs. If you didn't watch last week's analysis video, please make sure that you watch that video. I'll put the link up there right now so that you guys can go check it out. You'll get to understand why the market turned around this area here. We really went into details to describe exactly why this level was very so significant, right? So, and we saw the market kind of reject, or at least kind of rejected. We see that it bearish candle that week, that first candle that went down, it kind of wicked below and then it closed above, telling us that the buyers are really coming in right here, right? But if you go down to the 4 hour, I think you'll observe something more interesting, right? Which is exactly what we talked about. We talked about price coming to this area and then rejecting it. After rejecting, we wanted to see the market coming down correctively, right? Before we can buy it, right? That is what we're really expecting. And we got exactly that. You see, the market was making lower highs and lower lows up until that point there. Let me just move this area a bit back so that you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. Let me just go to the 1 hour, right? So that you guys can really understand what I'm talking about here. We saw that huge push to the downside and the market rejected impulsively. So this was a very impulsive move that really signaled to me that the market could be really rejecting this area, right? So after that, we saw the market making that low, and then, okay, after that high, it created a lower low, a lower high, and then a lower low right here. So that was a very corrective nature right there. And we saw the market kind of break that area and even break this level of resistance. We are kind of at it. We just broke above it. So we are looking for the market to consolidate, just a small correction, and then we'll continue to take our buys. That is just what we are anticipating for the coming week. As you can see, the market really respected this area of support right there. And we will be looking at it as long as the market doesn't break this area here, we're still very much bullish around this area, right? Because now the market is moving to the downside in a very corrective nature. Let me just show you guys. Look at this impulsive move to the upside and look at this corrective move to the downside, right? Well, there you saw the market impulse down and impulse up quickly. So, and you see the market coming down correctively, but when we're shooting up, we're coming up with a lot of momentum, telling us that buyers are really in here. So we are seeing the market. It's still very well a great opportunity to be executing your buys, to just look for your entries there. But as you can see, the market has just broken this area here. This area, as you can see, it was even a significant area right there multiple times. As you can see, the market turned there, kind of break and retest, and then broke below again, rejected again. As you can see, we see a nice breakout from that area now. We could be seeing price coming back to retest that area. And as long as we don't break it, we'll be looking for that buy on that setup there. And if not, the market could be coming to test this area again with another corrective structure, just like this one. Just like this one, you saw the market coming down correctively, and we executed your buys, and as you can see, the market shot up. So the Nasdaq is really kind of rejecting this area, so we just have to monitor it. You just have to wait and see if we break these overall highs right here. When you start breaking these highs, as you can see, the market was kind of ranging in this area here. So the market is still quite ranging in this area. As long as when we break that area, then we'll be confirmed that we are now ready to push to the upside, right? So that is just it, man. That is just it we're looking at on Nasdaq. Of course, when the market starts breaking these lows, then we know that the sell has not really extinguished, right? The market is still quite bearish. So we'll be looking at this area as sort of our guideline, right? I want you guys to pay attention to this area. When the market breaks this area, I'm not talking about a wick like here. This is not a breakout there because the market just wicked below and then came back, right? I'm looking for a real breakout to happen there and then a correction proving to us that the market is still quite bearish, and then a retest on these areas, and then we'll be looking for that sell, right? But for now, man, I'm still quite bullish on this one. As you can see, the market is shaping up very nicely here. But that is it from me. If you've not liked the video, please smash that like button, subscribe to the family, leave a comment below, and we'll see each other in the next one.